Hi my friends, my name is Kwon. I'm 19 years old. I come from Macau. Now I am a student at the University of Economic and Business Administration. Today I will guide you for sound. They are um 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 uh, uh, ra ra were. The first um um monkey, 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 mother, 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 morning, 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 morning. My mother might come tomorrow morning. My mother might come tomorrow morning. My friends and me always in the morning. Always get up early in the morning. How can I do Green Market? Look at map. It's on City Street. The second. Now, 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 night, night, night. Now I am a student at the University of Economic and Business Administration. I know you go to swimming with her yesterday. The third singing, listening, eating. I like singing, listening to music, and eating banana. I love the song Finger Family. I love the song Finger Family. The four. Hello, hand, hospital. I'm a handsome man. Why do you take your girlfriend to hospital? Why do you take your girlfriend to hospital? The fifth. Rain, rabbit, ring, right. Roboter, rain ring. Roboter, run rings. Around the Roman ruins. Roboter, run rings. Around the Roman ruins. Let's role play together. The last were wedding, waiting, went down, wait, walk, week. Happy wedding day. I can fly without wing. I can fly waiting down. Okay, that's it for my video today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.